In this video I'm going to be showing you something that's super useful but also useless. Let's get into it. So this is a 5-volt USB solar panel and I picked it up for around $1.50. And that might sound like a steal, and it is, because it actually works. We're going to be seeing how much this thing actually puts out, and today is a probably 100% sun day, so it's a good example of its optimum performance. Here I'm going to be using a USB power meter, and this will tell us the voltage, amperage, and wattage. Now I just plugged it in. You can see right there, almost 6 volts. We're going to attach the load, which is a 5,000 milliamp hour power bank. So with the load attached, you can see that it's putting out almost no power. Here this is putting about a 1/10 of an amp. But wait, where's the decimal point? Oh, it's putting about 100th of an amp. Yeah, not so great. You can see it's putting out about 0.06 watts. So yeah, this thing's a ripoff pretty much. So I think this is great if you have a low power application and don't mind it sitting out and charging for a very long time before it's fully charged. But this thing puts out almost no power, so to me it's pretty much useless. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.